Welcome to my channel. Ako po ang inyong Lola Ma-cel. Join me so we can all explore the science of baking. Our lesson for today is all about solid, liquid, and again solid. That is so yum, yum, yummy, yum. Remember, this is a science lesson, kaya naman, tumutok. Tignang maigi, tignang mabuti kung ano ang mga sangkap o ingredients na aking ginamit. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, two whole eggs, 1 cup light brown sugar, half a cup of softened butter. These are some of the ingredients we will need for today's yummy delicious cookies.
Hi guys! Update today. Ang inyong lola ay gagawa ng chocolate chip cookies. Kahit nakagardo versosa, gusto ko matulog, masakit ulo ko, hindi pwede. Para sa ekonomiya, let's make some cookies. Ito pong ating mga kailangan. Melted butter. Hindi lahat ay melted. Mas maganda kasi yung hindi lahat. Ano? This is like half a cup of melted butter or softened butter. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of light brown sugar.
Using a handheld mixer, cream the butter and sugar. Then add the 2 eggs. Continue mixing these 3 ingredients until it becomes smooth. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then continue mixing. Remember, ladies and gents, that whenever we are making cookies, cakes, brownies, even chocolitos or fudge, we have to cream all of the liquid ingredients first. So which ingredients are part of the liquid ingredients? Butter, sugar, eggs, oil, liquid vanilla, powdered vanilla, salt, and milk are considered part of liquid ingredients. We have to beat or cream it well before adding the dry ingredients, which are the flour, the baking soda, and the baking powder. Okay? Now that we have a very smooth and homogeneous liquid mixture, it's time to add our all-purpose flour. We will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Here, add also 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift everything in. Just add it together with our liquid ingredient that is in the bowl. Now that we have added all of the dry ingredients, using your electric mixer ay halu-haluin lamang po without turning it on. Otherwise, ang harina po ay magliliparang sa inyong mukha at magkakalat kayo. Okay? Once nabasa na po ang inyong harina, turn on your mixer and mix it lightly just until there's no more dry portion. Okay, if you would like to add more salt, you may add 1/4 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of salt. Just sprinkle it and then continue mixing this dough lightly. Do not over mix. Okay, then add all of the chocolate chips that you want. Here I opened one pack, but I didn't add all right away. I'll add it later. Okay, so mix. That's it. Once you see that your cookie dough is well mixed, do not over mix. Stop. Now our cookie dough is ready. Well, for a more chocolate chip cookies, add the leftover chocolate chip you set aside earlier and just mix it with a spatula. And look how yummy it is already. It's so appetizing. Yan, mukhang excited na inyong lola, natatakam na because it's time to shape our cookies. You can just simply spoon it or form it into small balls or size that you like. And remember, hindi lang tao ang meron social distancing sa inyong paglalapat ng inyong mga shaped cookies sa ating tray, dapat meron din silang social distance. I have one tray ready for baking. Just bake it for 8 minutes, 150 to 160 degrees. Yung iba bang apoy lang po muna ang inyong i-on. Next, let's continue shaping our cookies because I was able to make here like 3 trays of cookies. This is my first baked goodies, my first tray. For my second tray of cookies, I flattened it a bit, and these are the finished products. As soon as these babies are out of the oven, I serve it right away, and this is best with cold milk. These babies are ready to go. Dahil ito ay request ng mga abulilits, yan, nilalagay ka agad sa serving tray upang ihain sa aking mga makukulits as a snack together with cold milk. This is my favorite part as a baker. I'm the first person who always taste or eat my baked goodies. Now look carefully at these cuties. This is my perfect tray, the third tray. So this is soft and chewy cookie. How did I achieve it? I only baked it for 150 degrees, 8 minutes. As soon as it hits the 8-minute mark, I took it out from the oven. Don't worry, the heat of the cookie will continue cooking itself. Ayan, so nakita nyo na ang ating solid sa ating baking lesson for today. We have here some soft, chewy, chocolate chip cookies. Perfect.
We want this cookie. I'm the one who baked it.
Oh my god, and now tell her. Now we're going to bring this into your room.
Now we're gonna bring this into your room. I'll eat it all before I give it to you.
Oh my god, it's for Madawi.
I'll eat it all.
Oh my god, oh my god.